So my name is RIZUMIK. That's my stage name, actually. And I pretty much just want to tell you that. And sometimes, whenever I go out of my and then it comes back, you know? It just comes back. It just comes back, and sometimes you can't help but... And then I also sit on the sidewalk, you know, and I just watch people passing by because it's one of my favorite things, just people watching. And you know, every time you watch somebody, something magical happens inside of you and inside that person that you're watching. And that magic can be translated in many ways. Welcome, sir. And then we sing a wonderful song together. Wonderful songs together. One more together. So my name is RIZUMIK, and you can find me all over the place with that name. I have a website, Facebook,
Spell it.
Instagram. Spell it out. R-I-Z-U. You and me, yo. M-M-M-M-M-M-M-M-I-K. M-M-M-M-M-M-M-M-I-K-K.
Yes!
So RIZUMIK. Thank you.
Okay, next time will be champion. Yeah, thank you.